All right, we're going to install
The STI
radiator cap. Nice. Good to do on all Subarus because raising the pressure of the coolant system. Always do this when it's cold. This motor is stone cold. Increases the boiling point and helps the cooling. So undo your stock one. Oh no, it's starting to rain. Put on your new one. Get it so it's sitting flush. There we go. Turn. That's it. Now, key point, you saw me there. I kind of had it not straight, and now I do it. It's straight. There we go. It's pretty much an STI now. And that one.
All we need to change is that.
That one we can go and throw in the bin.
Yeah.
Throw in the bin. All right. That's easy. That's all you have to do to change the radiator pressure cap on a Subaru, and you should do it on every car that's 5 years old or more. Easy, because it's they're like a thermostat wax setting, and you want them to make sure they work properly.